Hello, my name is Tracy Allen, and I want to welcome you to Cooking with Some Friends. Hello and welcome to Cooking with Some Friends. Tonight we're going to have some chicken fried rice and it's super easy. So I went ahead and I took 1 pound of chicken earlier and I cut it up into thin slices. Okay. And then I put it in a marinade of about 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and about 1.5 teaspoons of soy sauce. I also added in about 1.5 teaspoons of oyster sauce and then about 1 tablespoon of oil. Anyway, I've got about 5 tablespoons of oil heating in my pan, so I'm gonna fry this chicken up, and it'll need to fry for about 15 to 20 minutes to get the whole thing done. So I'll come back when the chicken's all done. Okay, so I've removed our chicken to a plate, and now I'm gonna put in about 3 green onions and saute those in the same pan. And once those are done sauteing, I'm going to take my 3 eggs that I've mixed up. And I'm just going to pour these over here, and then I'm going to scramble them. So I'll pour them in and let them sit. I've got this on about a medium heat. You want a little bit of oil in there, but not very much. Eggs, dump it, drizzle those in. Let that sit just a few seconds before we start scrambling. When I get these eggs scrambled, I'm going to go ahead and add in some frozen vegetables and then about 5 cups of cold rice, add my chicken back in, and then my sauce mixture that I made up earlier that has 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and it's got 2.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and I added just about 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Those to the side. Vegetables. And you can use completely frozen vegetables. I'm using some of our vegetables from our freezer. Saute a minute. Those eggs continue to cook just a little bit more. And mix them. Add in my chicken, and I will add my rice. Rice in. This is what's nice if you have rice for anything else. Don't throw away your leftovers. You can always do a stir fry. Stop there with what I have. Drizzle my sauce over. little bit of salt. And then about a teaspoon or so of sugar. Stir all this together and then we can eat. You can always serve this with more soy sauce if you want to. We just want that rice to get hot all the way through. And as you can see, I've got lots of rice on my stovetop. Okay, we're done, except we're gonna let it just simmer just a little bit. Thanks for joining us for this session of Cooking with Some Friends. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And find us on Facebook at Cooking with Some Friends.